Hello, I am M. Yusuf D. Memon from Matiari. Today, I teach you question number 6, 7 and 8 of model test paper 1 from units 1 to 4 of English class 9 new course. Dear students, these 3 questions are on page number 105 in your English book, class 9, new course. These 3 questions are on page number 105. I am going to solve these 3 questions. Please open your books on page number 105 and see how are these questions solved. Question number 6. Rewrite the following sentences by correcting the punctuation and capitalization errors. A. Yes, the Sahara Desert is a lonely, hot and dry place, said Fassi. This sentence is in direct speech. We have to punctuate it. Yes, the Sahara Desert is a lonely, hot and dry place said Fassi. This is the sentence in direct speech. Direct speech has 2 parts, reporting speech and reported speech. If the reporting speech is in the beginning, then we will write as Fassi said, and then reported speech is written in inverted commas. If the reporting speech is in the end, then verb is written first and then the subject. Number 2, hurrah, the Khans will invite us next year, shouted Akram with joy. Hurrah! Mark of exclamation. The Khans will invite us. The K will be capital. Khans will invite us. Next year, shouted Akram with joy. This is also the sentence is in direct speech. Shouted Akram with joy. C. I am going to plant an apple tree. It will be fun, said Hanan. I will be capital. to plant, an apple tree. It will be fun. I will be capital. It will be fun. This is also in direct speech. So we will put inverted commas. Said Hanan. Now, exercise question number 7. Fill in the blanks with articles where necessary. Articles are a, an, and the. When Lubna got married, she moved to the United States. To the United States of America. 15 years later, she returned to Pakistan with her family and visited her brother Isa. Lubna had 2 children, a boy and a girl. And Isa had 2 boys and a girl. Although the children had never met before, except through an email. The 2 families had a great time together. The children played games. The children played games and the elders talked about their life, trying to catch up on 15 years news and gossips. Now, question number 8. Fill in the blanks in the following sentences with words formed by using the suffix ment, nes, or al. One of these words as appropriate. The words are sign, it will be signal, treat, we will add meant, treatment, kind, kindness. A. The employer showed his kindness by giving a big salary raise to all his employees. In A, kindness. Number B. They were finally given the signal to start the construction on the new bridge. Number C. He recovered fully after completing his treatment. In A, kindness. B, signal. C, treatment. This was the question number 8. Question number 9. Fill the blanks in the following sentences with words formed by using the prefix un, in, or dis. With one of these words as appropriate. Complete. Words are complete, honest, healthy. Complete. We will add prefix in, incomplete. Honest. We will add prefix dis, dishonest. Healthy, we will add un, prefix un, unhealthy. A, one of our neighbors lost his job because he was dishonest. Dash is dishonest. Blank space will be filled with dishonest. We should avoid dash food, unhealthy food. Fill the blanks with unhealthy food, and exercise regularly so that we remain fit. C, one work was still incomplete when the bell rang. Fill the blank space with incomplete. Our work was still incomplete when the bell rang. These are the 4 questions which I have solved today. Question number 6, question number 7, question number 8 and question number 9. Thank you very much.